Hey guys, it's Jessica and welcome back to my channel. And before I start this video, I just want to say, if you like me, if you like this video, if you like this channel, please subscribe because I'm really trying to reach 1,000 subscribers thanks to YouTube's new rules. So again, if you like this, please subscribe and give it a like, whatever. But anyway, today's video is my Sephora Playbox unboxing. So let's go right ahead and get it open. So this actually is very similar to last month's box. Oh my god, I love the bag. It's completely my aesthetic. But this box for May is beauty goals. When you get your Sephora Play box, you get your playbook and your play card, and if you take your play card into your local Sephora store and make a purchase, you'll get 50 extra Beauty Insider points. And Sephora Play is $10 a month, free shipping, but you do have to pay tax. So the bag this month is kind of like a jean material with almost like shoelace strings, but it kind of reminds me of like a bandana country thing, which if you've watched any of my videos, you know I love that kind of crap. So I love this. I think this is really, really cute. Very country. I love it. Well, let's go ahead and see what we got this month. So the first product is from Bumble and Bumble, and it is a thickening spray pre-styler. And let's see what it smells like. Ooh, very chemically. Yeah. Very, very strong chemically. But I will definitely use it. I always use the hair care products that I get. So the second item is a Sephora product, and it is the Mud Mask Purifying and Mattifying with zinc and copper. And you can definitely tell it is definitely a mud mask. It looks very thick and very gloopy. The third item, this is from Benefit. It is the Professional Pore Primer. I feel like I've gotten this more than once in my Sephora Play box, so I'm not like super thrilled getting it. I think this is the third time I've got it, but it is a good primer, so I'm not like mad about it, but I do wish it would be something kind of different, but that's okay. Okay, the fourth item. Ooh, okay, this is from Becca, and this is, I literally, every time I buy something, like a month before, that's when I get it in my Sephora Play box. But this is the Becca Highlighter in Champagne Pop. It is one of my favorite highlighters. Hopefully, oh man, I can't get it open. Okay, actually I'm not mad because the one I have is the cream one. This one feels like more of the powdery one, but this highlighter is amazing. It works on anybody's skin tone, and there's a swatch of it. So pretty. I don't know if you guys can even see that. Let me do another swatch. Wow, I'm so pale, like nothing wants to show up, but I did 2 swatches on here, not that you can tell. But this highlighter is gorgeous. It will look good on any skin tone. It's very versatile. So I guess I'm not really mad about it. Alright, we have 2 items left. And the next one feels like perfume. And this is from Victor and Rolf. And I'm assuming something floral because I see like some flowery pictures in there. This says Flower Bomb is the scent. And it has a sprayer, which is always nice and convenient. Let me rub in this highlighter. I don't know. The last couple perfumes I've gotten, I haven't been that in love with. It smells good, but it's not necessarily something I would wear. And it is definitely very florally. Okay, time for the final item. And it feels like an eyeliner, maybe? Okay, it is an eyeliner. And like, I am not kidding you guys. This happens in like almost every video. When I buy something, the month later is when I get it in my Sephora Play box. But I've actually gotten this before in my Sephora Play box again, so it's another repeat. But this is the Kat Von D Tattoo Liner in Trooper, which is just black. And I do love this eyeliner. It is an amazing eyeliner, but again, it's a repeat. I've gotten this before. This is only the second time I've gotten this eyeliner, but I think it is the third that I've gotten this. So, a lot of duplicates. And that's everything. I do think this was a good box, but I'm kind of disappointed because, like I said, I've gotten 2 of these items in the Sephora Play box before. So, I don't know if they don't keep track of what they've given out or what the deal is. I do like all the products I got, but just, I think they could have done better, I guess. But anyway, I'm going to make this video short today, so thank you guys so much for watching. If you did like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys in my next one. So, sending pugs and kisses your way. Bye!